You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear. Without Tai, I wouldn't know the real power of the Light Force.
Fools! Do you truly believe you can stop my grand scheme?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
How could anyone defile such a beautiful place?
My brother only sees beauty and control.
What a sad way to see the world.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Enemy has arrived.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
It's a realm of tribes. Our side, thank you. What a difference.
Glad to help.
Anyone willing to help?
Lights out.
My time to shine.
Feeling fantastic.
Just embrace the light.
You owe me one. We push all the way to Yggdrasil.
As cold hot. Our side, thank you.
A clear winner.
Enemies, perfect.
That's better. You owe me one.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Lights out. Take my cake.
Us against the world!
Watch me go.
Everybody needs him.
Your powers are mine!
My time to shine. Loki's killing that tree, but we're going to stop him.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Feeling fantastic.
Tandy needs help.
I found one of them.
Lights out. Dark force.
My time to shine.
Healing.
Why would I need healing?
I am barely wounded.
Hold still and try to help.
By the eye of Argo...
Look behind you.
I see you.
Double KO.
I'm back to shed some light.
Thank you.
Feeling fantastic.
Lights out.
Our side.
My time to shine.
Barely wounded.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
So cold.
Lights out. Suffering the darkness. My life.
Glad to help. A boom of light.
Lights out.
Heatsguard is counting on us. Us against the world. You owe me one.
Lights out.
My time to shine.
Healing.
Why would I need
You
you?
might want to look over here.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Invisible?
Your powers are mine!
Us against the world.
Shields up!
Appreciate the boost.
We gotta help. Thank you.
This is real!
By the eye of Agamotto! What armor is this? By the eye of Agamotto!
Much to prove.
Get that vehicle moving again.
Just embrace the light. My time to shine. They're sneaking from behind. Some uninvited. Why would I need healing?
Get that vehicle moving again.
Do your worst.
We're hurt.
Let the devil
Us against the world.
For my crow.
My time to shine. This spot requires attention. Feeling fantastic. A beam of light.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Get in here, y'all.
A little help, just the way I like it. My time to shine.
You belong to me.
long has Yggdrasil protected Asgard. Now we must save the world.
Your powers are mine!
Us against the world. Feeling fantastic.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Surely suppose that helps.
Shall be marked.
I am barely harmed. Kind of a matter.
My time to shine. Try to help. I'll get you next time.
I am Asgard's life!
What a difference.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
I was fine. Thank you.
Just embrace the light. What am I? Invisible? Us against the world! Let's go!
Do your worst.
My time to shine.
Behold the god of thunder!
Why would I need Hold still. I'm trying to help.
The Odins.
That's much better.
Surely
This is real firepower!
My turn to see them.
I still need
My time to shine.
Hell unleashed!
I found one of them.
What am I? Invisible?
By the eye of Agamotto!
Loki's turn to hero. We're going to start it. Oh, so close.
That's a double!
One weakness.
Only 60 seconds left.
An opportunity for combat.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Us against the world! Everybody needs a hand
Your
sometimes.
powers are mine!
Disappear!
My life force is exposed.
My time to shine. Down to 30 seconds.
By the eye of Agamotto!